Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So here I am at the airport, and because of because of everything you have already know, because of the world, I have not traveled for 3 years, and so today come back to this beautiful airport. It's just an airport, but there is so much nostalgia in traveling. Oh, I so want to. I so want to do it. 去流浪 to go to discover, to explore, to adventure. Oh, that feeling is so wonderful. That unknown, that curiosity, that unpredictability. Oh, oh, it's good to see the world, to see some places that is away from your comfortable place. So the other day, I always say that travel, you can travel anywhere, including your hometown, including your city, because there is always something new that you do not know you can discover. But it's just so tempting to get to see a total different world, to see a place far away from your comfortable place. Oh, when you get old, when you get all white hair, you can still have a dream. It does not mean that your dream has to diminish. No. I am so curious. I am so excited. I am so eager to see a new world. Oh, you get that feeling. You get that feeling, don't you? Don't you? Okay. Time to board the airplane. I will see you in a different place. Does not have to be too far away, but just a change of air. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye, friend.